Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Wold, and I'm a Senior Support Escalation Engineer on the Surface Hub support team at Microsoft. In this video, I'll be going over how to verify your Surface Hub is fully updated. I'll show you how to do this while physically in front of the device, as well as remotely, if your Surface Hub is enrolled into Endpoint Manager. I'll first navigate to the Surface Hub Update History page, which is a great resource for understanding all the latest updates and their associated build numbers. This page is located in our Administrator Guide in the Surface Hub V1 section. I'll then click on Troubleshoot and then Surface Hub Update History. Here, we have every Surface Hub update documented with their subsequent OS build number. We'll reference this page in a bit after discovering what build our Surface Hub is running. To check the build number of a Surface Hub in person, navigate to Settings by pressing Start, All Apps, and then Settings. After authenticating, click the first option, Surface Hub, and then click About in the bottom left. The build number installed on this device is currently 19042.1237. To remotely determine which build the Surface Hub is on, you'll need to ensure the device is enrolled into Intune. I'll head over to the portal by opening a new tab and navigating to endpoint.microsoft.com. I'll then sign in with my administrator account. Once here, head over to Devices and click on Windows. In the middle pane, you should see every enrolled Windows device in your organization. I'll filter out Surface Hub devices by clicking on Column and then select SKU Family. Surface Hubs should be listed as the SKU Team, which in my case is every enrolled device. From here, I'll filter by last check-in, as some of these objects are stale. These three highlighted Surface Hubs are my active devices that I'll be confirming the OS build numbers. These devices are great examples, as they show the three different states you will likely see in production. The top one shows a Surface Hub still running OS build 15063, which is about a year behind on updates. The second device is on 20H2 as the build number starts with 19042, but I can see it still hasn't received all cumulative updates. The last device is fully updated because it's on 19042.1237. Now, I'll head back to the Surface Hub Update History page to show you how to determine this. As mentioned, with the first device, it still hasn't taken the 20H2 update. I know this because it's still on build 15063. The other two Surface Hubs are on 20H2 because the build number begins with 19042, with the latest updates bringing it to 19042.1202. If your build number is higher than the latest documented update, that either means this update history page hasn't been updated yet, or there are general Windows updates installed not specific to Surface Hub, which includes security updates. Looking at the devices again, I know this top one needs to be updated to 20H2. The middle device is on 20H2 but is behind on updates, and the last device is fully updated. There's a few reasons why a device may not be fully updated. Before diving into this, it's important to understand how and when updates are installed on a Surface Hub. To ensure the device is always available during business hours, a maintenance window is used to perform administrative functions and install updates. By default, this occurs at 2 a.m. In order for the maintenance window to run, the Surface Hub needs to either be powered on or asleep. If the device is asleep, it will wake itself up, install updates, reboot if needed, and then go back to sleep. If you have a device that is shut down, it will not be able to run through the maintenance window, and therefore not install updates. Now I'll talk about some of the other reasons why a Surface Hub may not be fully updated. First, the Surface Hub may be connected to a network that does not have access to Windows Update. You could also be using Windows Update for Business, which can be configured to defer updates based on a number of days. If you have WSUS configured, this is unfortunately no longer supported, so you'll need to ensure Windows Update or Windows Update for Business is used. Lastly, if you have a first-generation Surface Hub that isn't taking the 20H2 update, you may be running into a known issue. In some cases, V1 devices will not be offered 20H2 to prevent an unbootable device state. This is documented on our Known Issues page. If you've manually checked for and installed all available updates on your first generation Surface Hub and 20H2 still hasn't been offered, you may need to re-image the device using our Surface Hub recovery tool, which will install the 20H2 image. And that's how you verify the build number on a Surface Hub and confirm it's up to date. Thanks so much for watching.